So this is the Hotel Océan, or l'Océan, the ocean, here on La Digue. And it has a nice terrace, a nice view, but that's it. Nothing else is nice. And that's why I cannot recommend this hotel, and that's why I'm changing to the neighbor hotel Patratan, which is way much better. Well, I mean, there is the corona crisis, and they want to close tomorrow, but they don't expect any other guests. It's 23rd of March today, and they want me to leave the room early in the morning so that they can gaze here and close all the hotel, even if they don't expect any guests anymore. The breakfast is very poor, and the people are not friendly. I am sorry. I'm not used to complain so much, but it was not a nice day here. So when it's like this, I have to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. So let's check the other hotel.